making an inexpensive smoker from bricks or pavers. Here I'm placing a cheap barbecue grill on 4 pavers. You could also do something similar using one of those supermarket barbecue sets. I placed some extra pavers in the corners to help support the weight that will be placed above the grill. These 6 pavers across the charcoal bed hole will help control the amount of air getting to the charcoal fire, and via this hole you can occasionally add more charcoal. Now to build the smoker chimney by stacking the pavers around the edge of the grill. Now to add some charcoal and get the fire going. We are now at the 4th layer of paver. I reduced the air hole slightly. Now I'll demonstrate 2 possibilities for smoking. First I place a thin piece of plywood across the centre, but the smoke can still rise via the 2 gaps on the ends of the sheet. This is similar to a Kamado smoker. Another alternative is to place a grill here if you were smoking some fish fillets, but I decided to cook some foil wrapped pulled pork Kamado style. Now to close in the smoker with another layer of pavers, and I'll use 2 old kitchen doors as the lid, and you can control the ventilation by opening and closing the gap between these doors. Here is my second setup, where I'm smoking some pig skins that I will use to practice tattooing. Because of the intense heat, it is preferable to use metal skewers over these wooden ones. And as before, on with the 5th layer of bricks and the lid doors. I have placed a heat probe stuck between the bricks on the 5th layer. The fire is eased and the charcoal is not far off 225 Fahrenheit, which is suitable for cooking pulled pork. Now if the heat rises or falls off your target temperature, you can control the air input with the lower bricks and the air output via the upper lid doors. Also remember to add some charcoal if the temperature should drop more than 10 Fahrenheit off your target temperature. Well, I hope this has inspired you to go out and make your own cheap, simple smoker. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.